So the reason why I upgraded, especially to the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, is because of this front camera. So right now I am looking and speaking into the camera versus speaking and looking into the 8 Pro phone. Again, looking at the Pixel 9 Pro XL, to me, I just think it looks so much better because the camera is so much better, so I don't have to worry about turning my camera around when speaking. So this is from the inside of my apartment. I'm gonna step outside just so we could see it outside as well. Okay, standing outside, now looking and speaking into the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Really excited about the camera. Now talking and looking into the 8 Pro camera. This will definitely be a nicer experience when shooting these videos. So the sun has come out and I figured I would do one last video, and I am looking now at the Pixel 9 Pro XL versus the 8 Pro XL, and this will give you an idea with the sun and the video quality using the front camera. I am definitely pleased with the improvements. So after dinner, I usually walk, and I figured, you know what? I'm going to record a video using the front camera and the rear camera. So this is the front. It is now about 10 after 6 here in Atlanta, and now I'm going to switch and use the rear camera just so you could see the difference as I walk. And this is the rear camera, so you really can see the video quality is quite impressive on the front camera. You're more zoomed in on the rear, but definitely two great cameras, front and rear.